Big bad storm is rolling in, by the thunder and the wind. Ain't nothing ever gonna be the same. These April showers don't...
We're staying at Boulder County Fairgrounds for 2 weeks. And Sunday, beautiful day. No clouds, no smoke. And we're gonna head over here, and there's supposed to be a bunch of stuff going on here at the fairgrounds. Let's check it out. Butterflies are big here in Arizona. I mean, Colorado. So we came in the Strawberry and Antique Festival, and I don't know, $10 each, and we're going to check it out. Postcard, old antique. Well, that was fun. The only thing we bought in there was some strawberry shortcake. It was good. I saw a desk I really liked, but it was $1,600, and I don't know how to get it to my storage area in Texas.
To store it for 30 years.
Yeah, to store it for the next 10 years. So, otherwise, there were lots of bolo ties. I already have a nice one. So we didn't buy anything in there but the strawberry shortcake. Now we're going over and check out a horse show, and then they're having a car show. That's cute in the door. That's adorable. You see it? Blue eyes and all. Well, that was fun. Right out our door, we got to go to an antique show, and we got to go to a car show, and then we got to go to a horse show. All in one day, right outside our door.
She's calling me.
So we thought we'd come into Boulder, do a little shopping, and maybe grab a bite to eat. It's still very smoky today. I'm surprised my asthma's not bothering me.
She's calling me. Like the rainbow, the rainbow.
Tostino's. It's a winery. And it has, how do you say that? Chartreuse?
Charcuterie.
Charcuterie. We're going to get a charcuterie board. This place.
Should be the name. Then to hear back a huge project, and as I'm like, you know.
We've been working in Andrea's garden, and I'm wore out. I ran the tiller and dug out all the weeds, dumped out a lot of mulch, and it's not bad when the clouds come over, but when the sun's out, it's hot. So we're having a good time with the boys and Andrea, helping them out with their garden. Too bad we won't be around in, when she say August, when she starts harvesting. We're going to miss out on the harvest for all of our work. That's the biggest farmers market I've ever seen here at the fairgrounds. It's a beautiful day for it too. So once again, the clouds are coming out. We'll have thunderstorms later today, I'm sure. It just came off that corner of the bike and wiped out. I don't know. 70 years old. I think I'm pushing it. I slid on this sand over here. I like riding this bike. The sand, I didn't even see it. Just totally smashed the ground. Oh man, I hate tearing up my skin too. It just was healing from wiping out in that lava crevice. What a nightmare. All right, we go on. I'm thankful I didn't break anything. On this corner, and the sand over here, the slip, and the bike wiped out right over there. Look at this gash on the leg. I can see it. So our darn Norcold refrigerator does it again. It was blowing 5 amp fuses and I didn't know why. So I called the company, and I went installed a 10 amp fuse. Then I decided to go outside and see if I could figure out why I was blowing a fuse, and I found this wire. I don't know if you can see it, but it melted. So I have no idea why that wire got hot. I mean, you can only think that it was just a bad wire. So anyway, I switched it back to 5 amp fuse, and now after I replaced this section of wire, none of the fans work. Ugh, so frustrating. I've spent more time and wasted more time on that stupid fridge. So now I've done what I hate doing, and I've called up an RV tech. They're supposed to come out. Can't come for a week. And $175 an hour. And they probably won't have any clue what to do. So frustrating. If I could be close to Elkhart, Indiana, I could go have those Amish guys look at it. The woes of being in an RV. Of course, if you had a house, sticks and bricks, you've always got a sink or a toilet or a light bulb or something going out, so it's the same thing. But anyway, the saga continues. I'll keep you updated when the RV tech comes and see if he can solve it. Otherwise, we're going to have to divert our trip to Michigan and head up to Elkhart, Indiana to get my favorite people to work on my stupid, never cold refrigerator. We could hear this loud noise. We couldn't figure out what it was. Sounded like someone's making a latte. And then all of a sudden, we come in the bathroom, find out the shaving